So, good day. I am Rainiel D'Italia, and I'm going to talk about chromosomal aberration in swine. So, what is a chromosomal aberration? So, a chromosomal aberration is a change or abnormality in the structure or number of chromosomes, which can disrupt normal gene function and lead to various health or developmental issues. So, one example is monosomy X in pigs. So, what is monosomy X? Monosomy X in pigs is a chromosomal disorder where an individual has only one X chromosome instead of the usual two sex chromosomes. This condition, similar to Turner syndrome in humans, results in pigs that are phenotypically female due to the presence of the single X chromosome. Affected pigs often exhibit underdeveloped reproductive organs, including smaller ovaries and uterus, which typically lead to infertility or sterility. They may also display physical abnormalities such as reduced size or slower growth, although the specific manifestation can vary. Monosomy X usually arises from errors during cell division, such as non-disjunction during meiosis, or from the loss of an X chromosome during early embryonic development. The condition can be identified through cytogenetic analysis such as karyotyping, which reveals the absence of the second X chromosome. While less common in pigs than in humans, monosomy X poses challenges in breeding programs due to its impact on reproductive success, making early detection and management essential for maintaining healthy livestock populations. So, what are the physical features of affected pigs with monosomy X? So, they have a smaller jaw, deformity in long bones and knee joints, stunted growth, poor development of the reproductive system, and lack of estrocycles leading to infertility. So here, so the XX is the affected one, and the XO, I know the XX is the normal one, and the XO is the affected one. So here, so see the affected pig is much underdeveloped or shorter than the normal ones. So here is a comparison. So the XX is the normal ones, and the XO is the ones affected with monosomy X. Here is a graph that shows that affected pigs are much smaller than normal ones. Here is the estradiol and progesterone levels. The normal ones have cyclic activity, and the affected ones does not. And this also shows that the unaffected pigs have a much developed reproductive system than the affected pigs. And here is the ovaries. Affected pigs have also underdeveloped ovaries. So approaches to avoid aberration from occurring. Adoption of routine cytogenetic screening programs with karyotyping to identify carriers of the aberration before mating. And regular monitoring in breeding herds for any chromosomal abnormalities to manage and mitigate the risk associated with monosomic X. So here are reference for the report. So next is another example is tandem translocation. So what is tandem translocation? A tandem translocation in pigs is a chromosomal abnormality where A segment of one chromosome is transferred and fused end to end with another chromosome, resulting in a structurally altered chromosome. Unlike reciprocal translocation, which involve an exchange of segments between two chromosomes, tandem translocation involved the unidirectional attachment of a chromosomal fragment. While these translocations may not always cause visible physical abnormalities in pigs, they can significantly impact reproduction by disrupting chromosome pairing during meiosis. This often leads to the production of unbalanced gametes, which can cause early embryonic death, reduced litter sizes, and congenital defects of offspring. Tandem translocation can arise spontaneously from errors in cell division or be induced by mutagens and may also be inherited from a parent carrying the abnormal chromosome. So here is the graph which shows the tandem translocation. So clinical signs. So what is the prevention? So examination of young artificial insemination boars before using their semen for production. So cytogenic analysis such as karyotyping or fluorescence in situ hybridization or FISH is used to detect this rearrangement, revealing unusually shaped or fused chromosomes. Although although relatively rare, tandem translocation are a concern in pig breeding programs due to their potential to reduce fertility and productivity, making early detection and informed breeding strategies essential for minimizing their impact. So, what are the guide questions or the frequently asked questions? So, what is or are the possible consequences where there is an aberration in chromosome number? The answer for that is a loss of genetic material usually occurs at the breakpoints where there is an exchange of chromosome. Next is gene disruption, such as an aneuploidy wherein it manifests a change in the whole chromosome set. Reproductive issues. Fertility becomes a problem due to the rearrangement of chromosomes which cause lethal mutations. Next is what are the possible consequences where there is an aberration in number. So consequences involving an aberration in structure could change distinct traits or features on the affected organism, either in the addition of an abnormal trait or removal of a normal trait.